First, we import PyTorch. Then we print the PyTorch version we are using. We are using PyTorch 0.3.1 post 2. Let's now create a PyTorch tensor full of random floating point numbers. So we use torch.rand, we pass in the shape of the tensor we want back, which is 2 by 4 by 6, and we assign it to the Python variable pt tensor not clipped x. Let's print the pt tensor not clipped x Python variable to see what we have. We see that it's a torch float tensor of size 2 by 4 by 6, and we see all the numbers are floating point numbers between 0 and 1. Next, let's create a PyTorch tensor based on our pt tensor not clipped x tensor example, whose values will be clipped to the range from a minimum of 0.4 to a maximum of 0.6 by using the torch.clamp operation. We assign the result to pt tensor yes clipped x Python variable. Let's now print this variable to see what we have. We see that it's a torch float tensor of size 2 by 4 by 6. We see a lot of 0.4s, we see a lot of 0.6s, and we see numbers in between. Visually checking, we can look at the second matrix. So 0.2 is below 4, so this gets updated to 4. 0.4132, that's between 0.4 and 0.6, so the value stays the same. This value is 0.63, which is above our 0.6 range, so we see it clamped to 6. So any value below 0.4 has been clamped and updated to be 0.4. Any value above 0.6 has been clamped and updated to 0.6. And any value in between has been left alone. Perfect. We were able to clip a PyTorch tensor's values to a range by using the PyTorch clamp operation.